So anyway, last box for today. Everything consolidated. So here we are. Okay, what is this? Oh, I guess I'm supposed to put it together now. Okay. Let's see here. But since I gave up my violin I was going to try to learn the violin, but it sat around. So I ended up giving that to a friend's daughter. I don't know if she's learning to practice on it or not, but I gave it up so she could learn on it. Then I gave up my banjo to his son, and so I'm waiting to see if what's going to come up of that. Let's see here. Okay, it's a ukulele banjo. So I'm taking, where does this go? Nut position. And then I'm going to, is there even instructions on this? But, okay, so if that goes there, that's the top. So this comes down here. I'll have to read the directions. That don't sound right. Well, anyway, got a little case for it comes with a case. Oh, let's see here. Comes with a tuner. So that will go in there. A strap. Even though it already comes with straps, I guess this is the one that will go on the actual instrument. I'll figure that out. Maybe in the center. Okay, well, let's put that in here. Plus this is small. It's small, so I can, I'm a small guy. So I'll put that in there. I'll put this in this zip compartment here in the front. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like some extra strings. extra strings, and then 2 picks and a tool to adjust. No book on it. So, alright, well, gotta do some research. Maybe I'll end up on Guitar City. Okay. That's it for today, Saturday. I hope the mic is working better than it did out in the woods. I'll be checking this. Alright, like, share, subscribe, comment, and yeah, comment. Well, for ones of you that aren't negative, I've been having a few of those, negative, or trying to make me out to be like a weenie or something, or whatever you're trying to do. I'll just delete you. So.